Let's find the alphabet letters. Here is A. A for apple. The letter B. B for ball. The letter C. C for crocodile. Where is letter D? Here is D. D for diamond. E. E for elephant. The letter F. F for fish. Where is letter G? Now we will find. Here is G. G for goat. Letter H. H for horse. Here is letter I. I for ice cream. The letter J. J for jug. Where is letter K? Here is K. K for kite. Letter L. Here is L. L for lemon. Letter M. M for mango. The letter N. N for nose. Here is letter O. O for orange. Letter P. P for parrot. Here is letter Q. Q for coin. Letter R. R for rainbow. Here is letter S. S for strawberry. Letter T. T for tiger. Where is letter U? Here is U. U for umbrella. Letter V. V for van. Here is letter W. W for watermelon. Letter X. X for Xmas tree. Here is letter Y. Y for yellow. Letter C. C for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.